Hi families, it's Shari again. I have Arian here to help me, and today we're going to talk about farm animals. Okay, let's see the first picture. You guys know what those are? It's a cow, and the baby cow is called a calf. What sound does a cow make? Moo! Moo! That's right. Okay, what's next, Arian?
We have a horse and a foal.
A horse and the baby is called a foal. Okay, what does the horse say? Let me hear you. Neigh! Neigh! All right, good job. Let's see what the next picture is.
Pigs and piglets.
Ooh, look at that. They're so cute with their big noses and their curly tails. Okay, who knows what a pig says? Oink, oink, oink. Oh, pigs are so funny. Okay, we have one more animal.
We have chickens and chicks.
Ooh, and the mom chicken is called a hen. And she has 1, 2, 3 chicks with her. What do chickens sound like? Okay, so horses, cows, pigs, chickens, they all live on the farm. Okay, one more time. Moo.
Moo.
Neigh. Oink, oink, oink. Bark, 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 bark. Okay, thanks for helping us today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.